Florida Personal Lines Exam. Welcome to the quiz. Which of these individuals is generally not automatically covered under a personal auto policy's liability section? Is it A, a permissive driver who is not a resident relative? Or B, the named insured's 16-year-old resident child with a learner's permit? C, a person using the covered auto while employed in the auto repair business? Or D, the named insured's spouse living in the same household? The answer is C. Liability coverage in a personal auto policy excludes anyone using the covered auto while employed in or engaged in an auto sales, repair, service, parking, or storage business, because this is considered business use, not personal. Permissive drivers are covered if using the vehicle with permission. Resident children, including minors with permits, are covered as family members. Spouses in the household are included. Because business use of the vehicle is a standard exclusion, this person is generally not automatically covered. Next question. Which factor is most critical in determining the appropriate amount of dwelling coverage for a homeowner's policy? Is it A, the real estate tax assessment value of the home? Or B, the outstanding mortgage balance on the property? C, the cost to rebuild the home at current construction rates? Or D, the original purchase price of the home? The answer is C. The most critical factor for dwelling coverage amount is the estimated cost to rebuild the home using current construction materials, labor, and codes, not market value or purchase price, because insurance covers replacement, not resale. Tax assessment is for taxes, not rebuild cost. Mortgage balance protects the lender but may underinsure the full rebuild. Original purchase price does not reflect current costs. Because rebuild cost at today's rates ensures adequate protection without underinsurance, this is the key factor. Next question. Identify the primary purpose of the exclusions section within an insurance contract. Is it A, to broaden the coverage provided by the insuring agreement? Or B, to list specific perils, losses, or circumstances that are not covered? C, to define the duties of the insured following a loss? Or D, to specify the premium amount and payment schedule? The answer is B. The exclusions section in an insurance policy clearly lists the specific perils, situations, events, or types of losses that the policy does not cover, even if they might otherwise seem to fall under the insuring agreement. This limits the insurer's responsibility and keeps premiums affordable by removing high-risk or uninsurable items. It does not broaden coverage but narrows it. Duties after a loss are in the conditions or duties section. Premiums and payments are on the declarations page or in a separate premium section. Because exclusions specifically carve out what is not covered, this is their primary purpose in the contract. Next question. A personal injury endorsement to a homeowner's policy might cover which of the following? Is it A, bodily injury from a slip and fall? Or B, property damage from a fire? C, libel, slander, or false arrest? Or D, professional malpractice? The answer is C. A personal injury endorsement extends liability coverage to offenses like libel, slander, false arrest, wrongful eviction, invasion of privacy, or malicious prosecution, which are not bodily injury or property damage. Slip and fall is standard bodily injury. Fire damage is property damage. Malpractice requires professional liability. Because personal injury covers non-physical torts, this is covered. Next question. Which of these would be excluded under a standard personal auto policy's liability coverage? Is it A, the insured's teenager driving the family car to school? Or B, the insured using a rental car while on vacation? C, the insured delivering pizzas for a side business? Or D, the insured's spouse driving a listed car to the grocery store? The answer is C. Standard personal auto liability coverage excludes business use of the vehicle, including using it to carry persons or property for a fee or delivering goods as part of a business activity like pizza delivery. Personal use, including family members driving for non-business purposes, is typically covered. Teenagers driving family cars for personal errands are generally covered under household rules. Rental cars used for personal vacation purposes are often covered under non-owned or temporary substitute provisions. Spouses driving listed vehicles for normal activities are included. Because business pursuits, especially delivery for compensation, are commonly excluded, this scenario falls outside standard personal auto liability. Next question. The legal doctrine requiring an insurance applicant to answer all questions honestly and to the best of their knowledge is known as: is it A, adhesion, or B, utmost good faith, C, consideration, or D, indemnity? The answer is B. Utmost good faith, also called uberami fidei, requires both parties, especially the applicant, to disclose all material facts honestly and completely, since insurance involves high trust and one-sided information. Adhesion means the insurer drafts the contract. Consideration is the exchange of value. Indemnity restores position. Because utmost good faith demands full, honest disclosure, this is the doctrine. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell us how many you scored out of 6 in the comments, and let me know what topic I should post next. Bye.